Hi, my name is Jaden Edlund, and welcome to the Model Gene. I got scouted. Okay. Let's do this serious this time. So I got scouted in the beginning of summer 2021, I believe. Right? 2020, last year? Yeah, of course. I got scouted in the beginning of summer last year, 2021. And I signed in the end of August because we were talking about my launch would be New York Fashion Week in September. So I got signed with Next, and a week later I went to New York for a fashion week. Went to a couple castings, and a couple days later I did my first show. Amazing experience for Tom Ford. So humbling, man. I was so happy. I was so excited. I couldn't stop smiling. I was there for like 5 hours before the show. Didn't see it. All you saw was my teeth all the time. Couldn't stop smiling. I was so happy. Standing up even. I couldn't sit down. Yeah. And I did the show Sunday, went back home Monday, and I got a call that I was booked for the Lookbook just a week later, so I flew out to LA. And it was the first time in LA. Amazing. Hot. I was looking at the cars like, nobody has an ugly car here. Everybody's got a fancy ass car here. But anyways, so we were there shooting for the Lookbook. Tom Ford was actually the photographer. He's a funny dude, man. He makes me laugh. I like his clothing a lot too. I'd buy it if I had money, but in the future. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous. It was my first shoot. Didn't really know what I was doing, but I think it turned out great. I think it did. And I was there with 2 other models, cool people. Thankfully, they told me a little bit what I could do and how I should pose. So I looked like I know what I was doing. The difference, I would say, doing the Tom Ford show and doing the Tom Ford Lookbook would be the show is more like, it's a show. It's more the designer. He's gonna show his new collection. It's more like a party-ish type vibe to it. You're more backstage. You get your makeup. You're done, and you're just excited for it. You get on that runway. The adrenaline rush, and it's just like amazing experience. It's like more fun to do. While the Lookbook is more like a work. You're there. It's a lot more relaxed, and you kind of you're there for a lot longer as well. Again, dressed in different clothing and outfits and suits and whatnot, and you take some pictures and then you do it again, pretty much. I like both though, but I'll do a runway show. Tom Ford, I'm available whenever, bro. Whenever you want me, bro. I swear I'm available.